A quick update on XDC here. So starting off on the macro monthly chart here, and we can see that if from the bottom, if you bought around 2 cents on XDC here, which is not a bad buy by the way, you can see that if this thing hits $2 in here in 2025, that would be about a 68x all the way up here to that $2 range. So I want you guys to be aware of that. Now there's a lot of prices out there for XDC. People are bullish on it, to be expected, of course. But you got to realize this thing already ran up and did what? It's already done a 5x from the low there at about 2 cents, a 5.5x. So to be realistic with it here in 2025, we'll get into the smaller time frame in just a moment. The couple of prices to kind of watch would be the, of course, first new high to be conservative for a 5 billion market cap. The 1272 at about 36, maybe 40 cents could be a good range to maybe take profit on this thing. I know this thing's going to be a lot bigger in the future, but you got to realize that once these things hit the top in 2025, there is a bear market for the next 4 years. So these things are not going to go up forever. This may be a coin that holds up like XRP to where it never really comes down. Could be the case, but I just want you guys to be aware of that. And then we have the 1414 at 50 cents. I think it's very possible from the bottom here. Let's go ahead and pull this up back to where we are today. So from today, what potential could we have on this thing to move up? So the 1272 I think is given. 50 cents I think is very fair. That would be another 5.5x on this thing. And then the 80 cent range from where we are today in price, holding up over the macro 618 would be an 8.5, almost a 9x to a 12 billion market cap, if that has not changed, by the way. And then I think $2 could be fair for this cycle. So $2 for 2025. Comment down below, of course, your thoughts on that. You can see we have the 2 up here for 190. That would be another 21x from where you are right now in price. Now, zooming in on this thing, you can see we already know we're holding over the macro 618, so you are in a really good spot here. Need to get back up over the 786 at 12 to continue the run. And if we zoom into the daily chart to get or 3-day chart rather, to get a little bit more short term of a price, we'll go from the high here to the low, and you can see we're sitting really good over the 382 and holding at about 88. So as long as we're over 88 off of this wick, hit the back row 0.5 at 6, doesn't look bad here at all. So it looks like it's gearing up for possible a bullish double bottom here for a move up. So your breakout is going to be over about 11 here, and then that should push you back up through the 786 at 12 on XDC here. So XDC is not a bad play. Do your own research on it, but of course, none of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.